Oh my goodness! Celeste just fucking raped me.
Get that demon weapon away from me, cunt.
Oh no, I've got low health, damn it.
Uh-oh. No! Not interested. Focus fired from two sides, you just can fuck off. No!
Oh, I thought I got you with a headshot then.
What the f- oh. Came from above.
Oh my goodness, fuck me! I forgot how good the summoner is.
What? Oh no.
Oh!
Hmm.
Damn it! No, you survived it! Oh!
It's gonna look like I'm trying to dip, so I'm gonna just dip. Oh, why do you have the punch of fucking God?
I know, right? I just see that thing coming and I...
You lied to me.
Yes. Oh, you made me laugh! Stop making me laugh!
I'm out of ammo! Fucking just smoked me.
Alright, I gotta stop.
Go away, go away, go away! I
Fucking-
don't want it!
Yeah, he just destroyed me because I just sat there shooting the fucking ground in the air.
Yeah, fucking sit down, fuck you. Fucking Buzz Lightyear can fuck right off.
He's coming in hot! Oh, that guy's coming in hot! Boy.
Ah, the longest lunge on it. What is this, Modern Warfare 2?
Oh my fucking god!
Oh, what?
Oh no! Damn it!
Oh, fucking Thunder Crash, really? Couldn't let me have my double,
Oh,
could ya?
the forward part just fucking melted my face.
Make them cry.
Just didn't whip it off. Oh! What?
Oh, no. This can't get out. Fucking hide behind your wall, you fucking puss. I'm so upset. Fuck off, you ain't got shit. Yeah, you do.
Oh, I don't have.
I hate you so much.
You're getting followed.
No! I don't want it! Kid just teleported forwards 10 meters.
Oh, I had the sword with me.
Can't believe that hit me. Fuck! Nope, nope. Hell!